Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of the 2008 Audi A3 build. Last episode we installed the carbon fiber mirror caps, which are right here. They look amazing. I did end up cracking this side of the mirror. What I did was I ended up finding a used mirror. I was actually able to get an entire housing with the mirror as well for pretty much a third of the cost that it would cost to just get the mirror itself. So that's been all good. But in this episode, we've got some interior lights to replace. So basically, I'll kind of show you here. I got this full kit from ECS Tuning as well. This is the Audi A3 Master LED interior lighting kit. So basically it replaces all your interior lights with some LEDs. So we're going to be replacing all of those inside here, as well as the LEDGlow interior lighting kit. Used to have this kit on my old vehicle. Super awesome. So without further ado, let's get to installing the LEDGlow interior ambient foot lighting, as well as the ECS Tuning Master LED kit. These are the main ones. I think these are for the back and the two reading lights. Not sure where these ones are found. I think these might be the trunk lights. And these are the visor lights. So basically these lights work. These ones have been burnt out for quite a while now. And I do see that they are the same as the other ones, so that's perfect. So I just put this one in here right now. There we go. Nice and bright. This looks like it hooks into the back there and then just pushes in like that. Alright, now I'm going to replace these ones here. They are extremely hot, so I'm going to put some gloves on. So yeah, this is the old bulb. Just one of those regular amber ones. You got these big beefy boys. These are going to be pretty bright, I think. Yeah, it's quite nice and bright. Get the other one on the other side here. Push them in and then you turn them to the left, I believe. There we go, those are nice and locked in there. Out with the old, in with the new. Now I'm going to replace this light here. See how yellow it is compared to the LED. This piece broke off before, so I might have to just put a few little drops of super glue to keep the housing on. Because I found out this one pops out like this. You take this little piece off, and then you replace the bulb like that. So I'm going to put 2 little drops on here of super glue, and then I'll just hold the plastic cover like this, and should be good to go for that side. But yeah, going to replace this one right now, and then we'll see what that looks like with the cover on. Here's the old one. I'm going to close this to turn this off. Open here. Might be a little bit difficult for you guys to see. Obviously this one's just like the regular light. This is a nice bright LED. Nice and tight. Let's check it out. Works perfectly. Now we're just gonna seat it up. And we're good to go. Nice and bright. All the LEDs work there. Beautiful. Alright, now time to do the back lights. So I did replace these quite a while ago with some very cheap ones from eBay. So yeah, we'll replace those right now as well. Alright, let's see if they work. Look at that. Nice and bright. Alright, so I'm going to turn the lights off, open the car, and see what the lights look like when it's dark outside. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty sick. So yeah, we've got those that have been changed. We've got both that, which is very bright, and that, which is not quite as bright because it's got the cover on it. I gotta install the cover on that one. And then we also have these two as well. I think it looks so nice. Alright, so enough maintenance. Let's get to the fun stuff. LEDGlow. Box comes with all the stuff here. We've got 4, I think these are the 12-inch bars. I have an expandable circuit, so I'll have to figure out how to connect that to my battery or one of the fuses. Another one that I just got in case. Here's my cover for the other light there. And then all this stuff. So yeah, pull all this stuff out. So this is your Bluetooth box. Got some adhesive. Alright, time for the fun part. So I don't really know much about electrical, but I just watched a video, so hopefully that's enough to figure this out. Basically what I've already done here is I have located which fuse is for the dome lights. Now with this LEDGlow kit, basically get like this fuse adapter. So basically this is going to go right there. This has the fuse. This end is going to connect to the Bluetooth box for the lighting. So yeah, let's try this out. Don't know if it's going to work, but we will see. So yeah, I'm just going to slide this inside there. And then I've got this. Feels tight. Again, this is coming from someone who does absolutely nothing with electrical. That's good there. And now this is the one that is the grounding cable. So let's strip this a little bit, make it a little bit longer. There we go. It's a lot better. There we go, that's better. Feels nice and strong though, which is good. Alright, I do want to test this all first. Plug in the wires and obviously make sure it all works. So I'm just going to plug this into that section here. Now I need to find a spot to connect this to. Okay, we're grounded. Look at that. Okay, now we've got power, which is perfect. Alright, here's the app. You can change all the different colors. Looks like you can change the brightness of them. Oh wow, okay. I'll have to figure this out. I'm going to set these up underneath here into the footwells, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so it's all installed. All the wires are tucked nicely. Can't see any of the bars either. Super nice and clean. My only concern is that my car will be dead in the morning, because basically with the app you turn it off, which is awesome, right? It turns off, but there's still the main light that stays on. So I don't know if it's drawing enough power to, you know, kill my car for tomorrow morning, but I'm going to chance it. So yeah, let's go for a little tiny drive just to make sure battery's nice and charged up. And I'll kind of take you guys along and show you how it looks while driving. So, very vibey. Very cool. Looks great in the back as well. I'll show you the app here real quick. Super simple. You can have presets. So here's blue, green. Here's like a fading, which is too much, I think. But blue looks pretty sweet. You can change the brightness down too. This is just pretty bright right now. But yeah, liking it quite a bit. So we'll see if the car is dead tomorrow morning or if it's still good. Not too sure what the next video is going to be, but I think I should be getting a package at the end of this month. So yeah, super excited about that. You guys are going to love what part I'm getting. I think it's going to completely change the look of the vehicle. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you get notified of the next video. And yeah, thanks for joining me on another episode of the 2008 Audi A3 build. See ya later.